Here we have a SAT math question. Here we have E equals to P negative N over P positive N. Okay, let's go the information connected to this. The net effective charge between two particles as a proportion of total charge is represented by E in the formula above, where P is the magnitude of the positive charge and N is the magnitude of the negative charge. Which of the following expresses N in terms of P and E? Okay, so we have to solve for N in terms of P and E in the given formula. Okay, let me write the formula. E equals to P negative N over P positive N. Okay, to solve for N in terms of P and E, first I have to get rid of this denominator over here because the denominator contains N. So to get the denominator over here, I multiply both sides by P positive N. So this P positive N will cancel out. Now on the left side, I can distribute this E to P and N, then I'll be getting EP positive En equals to P negative N. Okay, we are trying to solve for N, but N appears on both sides of the equation. So it should not appear on both sides of the equation. It has to appear on only one side of the equation, either on the left side or on the right side. So we can get rid of the N on the right side. For that, I have to add N to both sides. This negative N positive N will cancel out. On the left side, I get EP positive En positive N equals to P. Okay, here to solve for N, we have to keep only the terms which contain N on the left side, and the term which does not contain N, we have to get rid of it. So actually this term does not contain N, so we can get rid of that. So for that, we can subtract EP from both sides. So this positive EP, negative EP will cancel out. I get En positive N equals to P negative EP. Okay, let me write it over here. En positive N equals to P negative EP. Okay, so to solve for N, we have to factor N from these two terms on the left side. So because both of them are multiples of N, so I factor N out. If I factor N out, so what I have left in the first term, what I have left in the second term. So to know what I have left in the first term, I have to divide the first term by the one I factor out, that is N. So N will cancel out, allow E left in the first term. And to know what I have left in the second term, the same thing. I have to divide this one by the one I factor, that is N. When I divide N by N, so N will cancel, I'll be just getting 1. So I have 1 left in the first term equals to P negative EP. Okay, now I have factored N out. So to solve for N, I just have to get rid of this E positive 1, which is multiplied by N. So to get rid of this E positive 1, I have to divide both sides by E positive 1. So this E positive 1 will cancel out. I get N equals to P negative EP over E positive 1. So I have solved for N, that is equal to P negative EP over E positive 1. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.